Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve an issue on Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer guys that reads error code 0x800f0955 and it says the installation failed. The safe OS page with an error during the install updates operation. Let's fix that issue guys. For that, go to search menu and type troubleshoot trouble troubleshoot setting. Open it. In here click on other troubleshooters, click Windows update troubleshoot to run guys. Click did you want to fix the problem, click yes and close out of here guys. Some things you need to try is as well. Go to Chrome or any browser you are using it. Just want to open it and search here guys, media creation, creation creation utility for Windows 11. Just want to click on Windows 11 download button. Over here the official Microsoft website, scroll down, create Windows 11 installation media. Just want to download this guys. Download now. Now click here, opens when downloaded. When finished it will automatically opens up. Click yes. Click here accept guys. Wait for it. This is take a little bit time. You just want to use recommended option for this PC. You just need to uncheck this box guys. After that click next. In here you just want to proceed with the installation to that drive guys. It will take some times to get download depending on your internet speed. So that's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.